I almost let go. I felt like I just couldn't take life anymore. My problems had me bound, depression weighed me down, but God kept me close, so I wouldn't let go. His mercy kept me, so I wouldn't let go. I almost gave up. I was right at the edge of a breakthrough, but couldn't see it. The devil really had me, but Jesus came and grabbed me, and He held me close, so I wouldn't let go. His mercy kept me, so I wouldn't let go. So I'm here today because God kept me. I'm alive today only because of His grace. Oh, He kept me. God kept me. He kept me, so I wouldn't let go. God kept me, so I wouldn't let go.